I'm Srivanth from class 10. Today we are going to see about thermoelectric production. Thermoelectric production. This term is actually heat. This thermoelectric production means electric current produced by heat. Thermo means heat actually. Now we are going to see about a pressure. We are going to demonstrate activity with the help of pressure cooker and tennis ball fitted with metal sheets. And we are going to also use a dynamo here, and we are going to check whether connecting all these whether the bulb flows or not. So here we have a pressure cooker filled with water, and we are heating it in the bottom of the pressure cooker, and we are connecting the pressure cooker with a steam pipe. So here the steam comes out furiously from the pressure cooker, and here we have a tennis ball fitted with metal wings. So and it is connected to a dynamo. Now the process here is the the steam here comes out furiously and makes the turbine to spin. So when the dynamo is fixed here, the dynamo connects this energy to electrical energy and makes the bulb to go. Right.
Okay. So what is obtained from the pressure cooker
The steam is obtained, sir. Heat
steam?
water, the normal water is filled, sir. When it
Hmm.
is heated, it boils and steam comes out from the steam pipe, sir.
Okay. What is the role of dynamo here?
Sir, the dynamo converts this mechanical energy of this tennis ball, which is fitted with the metal sheets, and it converts into electrical energy, which is making the bulb to glow, sir.
Good. What do you mean by thermo?
Sir, thermo means heat, sir.
Okay, good. Do you know what kind of metal filament is kept inside the bulb that you have shown here?
So, tungsten filament, sir.
Good, very
It
good,
is.
good. Why you have chosen pressure cooker to develop the steam?
Sir, actually, the pressure cooker keeps the water in high pressure, sir. When we are releasing the steam, comes out furiously from the pressure cooker, sir. So that force makes the tennis ball to spin, sir, and the process continues.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you.